Hi everybody. This is just a short video to demonstrate the positioning of points and also the tracing of an outline for your finite element simulation. So first of all, I'm going to go to MATLAB, and I'm starting out MATLAB fresh, and I've already set my current directory to the directory where the images are, and you should have set up your paths and directories before you attempt to do this. And if I type ls, for example, you'll see that I'm in the directory where there are a sequence of image files, and also there is a subdirectory called TalkNog. And you need that subdirectory, as I stated in the instructions, for this to work. So okay, I'm going to start by typing tendon FEA, and you'll see the window pop up. I'm going to select my first image. And now I'm going to do what I said in the instructions, which is to select 4 points clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm approximately trying to span about 5/6 of the specimen. Now I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see 4 circles appear. Once again, starting from clockwise, you're going to, starting from the upper left, start your line segment and continue that line segment until you reach just the inside of the circle. Select another point. Then select the inside of the second circle. Select another point. Then proceed outwards from the point to the right. Select any point. You could select here or here, but I try to keep the two sides sort of symmetric. So I select this point, and then I'll move down here and select this point. And now, once again, I move my cursor to the inside of the circle, select another point, and then the inside of the next circle, and finally we're going to close this off. I'm going to select this point, and now I'm going to double click to finalize, and you'll see the mesh appear. Okay, there's the mesh, and you see there's 3 regions that are formed. You have to be specific about how you do that in order to generate your 3 regions. Now what you're going to see is the image being tracked. The only points that are tracked are the points on the boundary, because this is what we're doing, is setting up our boundary conditions for the finite element mesh analysis. Okay, this takes about 10 more seconds. And then if all goes well, a plot will magically appear on the screen. Here we go. Boom. Okay, so the plot appeared. This means that the whole process worked, and the data we've just read from the output of the finite element analysis are the x forces on the right-hand side. And this looks pretty good. I have 200 grams, maybe 250 grams of load being generated. Now, you can close these windows. And now you can move back one directory, cd ... and you can type TalkPlotImages, which is the program that plots the image frames of the mesh. And you can watch how the calculation proceeded. And you should be able to see some elevating stresses. Okay? And so that's it for this video. And this should be instructive to you on how to position your points. And of course, if you have any problems, email me, and we can fix them all. All right, thanks a lot.